Jai Hind students. Today I am going to give you question answers of chapter number 2. What is balanced diet? What should it contain? The answer is a diet which includes all the nutrients that are required by the body in the right proportion is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet should contain all the essential nutrients such as fat, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Question number 2. Why is it important to include roughage in our diet? It is very important to include roughage in our diet as it helps in preventing constipation. It remains undigested and by absorbing water, it tends to swell up in the intestine. It then mixes with the feces and make it soft. This helps in the smooth disposal of waste through the rectum. Question number 3. What are the deficiency diseases? What happens to children who do not get enough to eat? Answer is diseases such as rickets that are caused due to deficiency of essential nutrients are called deficiency diseases. Children who do not get enough to eat suffer from malnutrition. Question number 4. Describe how vegetables reach our homes from the fields where they are grown. The answer is vegetables grown in the field are directly transported to shopkeepers as they do not need to be processed. We buy the vegetables from these shopkeepers. Now answer the following in not more than 100 words. Question number 1. Describe how you would find out whether protein is present in a particular food. Answer is test of protein in food. First point, take a test tube and put a small amount of food in it. Next, add a few drops of concentrated nitric acid to the food. Third point, heat the test tube until the food turns yellow. The third point is heat the test tube until the food turns yellow. Transfer the food to a beaker and add a few drops of ammonium hydroxide to the food. Now shake the beaker. If the food turns violet, it indicates the presence of protein in the food. Question number 2. Why is it necessary to drink about 1.5 liters of water every day? How would you show that vegetables contain water? The answer is, it is necessary to drink about 1.5 liters of water every day to balance the amount of water lost from the body each day due to excretion, sweating and breathing. The rest of the water required is obtained from the food. To show that vegetables contain water, take some vegetables and measure their weight. Bake these vegetables until the most of the water evaporates. Now measure their weight again. The difference between the two indicates the presence of water. Now your homework turn. Write and learn all the question answers in your notebook and learn it also. Thank you and have a nice day.